Hey guys, this is Eric from Bulldog. I've got the molded EVA nylon cases. These are great cases. Put your firearms, put your pistols in, put them in the closet maybe or something like that. Nice A-crate padding here to protect from scratches. The zippers also pull together and lock, so you can just put a pistol lock on there. Added security in a couple different colors. These are really great small pistol cases for you to store your firearms in.